The ghost is inside of me. Can't take it out of me. Don't matter where I've been. It's about where I'm meant to be. I be shining perfect timing. Check your.
What's going on YouTube? VD Blackskin here with another V3 reaction. This time to Bad Villains Hurricane music video. So the one I reacted to earlier was just a performance video. I've heard the song, of course, from that video, from that reaction, which was only a minute and something, so it wasn't the full song, but I have heard the full song, but I have not seen this music video. They came out with it a day ago. It's 2 minutes 39 seconds. I actually was only going to do one reaction today. I said in the other video I'm on some medication right now, so I'm a little loopy and sleepy and all that. But anyway, go ahead and get into it. This is going to be my last one. But I saw Bad Villain had this come out, and I wanted to check it out. So this is Bad Villain's Hurricane. His beat was nice. I don't remember if the other one had it translated lyrics. I love how they take away the rest of the instruments and eyes blazing like Sauron. I think they got the lyrics wrong right there, the translated lyrics. I think she said Oppenheimer and it said Oppenhauser. Take it. The speed at which they're doing this. Was that a? That's funny. It's called Hurricane, but that was a tornado they have. But I get the. I don't think they shot it at a horrific, but they had a lot of the flares going on and everything. Excuse me. That was me focusing on the lyrics. I am going to rewatch it, but I don't remember if the Hurricane performance video had lyrics. But this beat is crazy. The charisma. That was a clean push in and zoom. Is that a story cam? No. Snorri cam is a camera they hook up kind of to your waist and they put it in front of you, so it's whatever. Everglow first, I think, music video did it, but when it's like that point of view. But I think either someone was doing the camera, she just had her hand resting up like she was holding it. But
I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different, like alien. 무대는 나타나면 나디어서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야. Talking on the beat is who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기 내 머리 dynamite. Up and I'm a dynamite drop. I'm the screen, I'm the scene, I'm the screaming. 다른 느낌, 다른 느낌, I got a feeling. 내 주위는 초토화돼 every gain. 내 주위는 초토화돼 every gain. Wake wing wing 울리는 경보 beat is on fire. You don't name on everywhere 안 보는 게 더 어렵다고 말해 notorious. Hey buddy, which way you wanna go? That best tip for body tangos. 여왕이 된 듯이 걷고 표정은 dry. Step by step, we're moving to the next one. Taking over the sound, taking over the world. 떨어져 봐봐 let's go. 바뀌는 너의 표정, 아무리 눈을 놔.
I was gonna say I don't. Oh, they just showed it again. Obviously the car hanging. There's got to be a crane around there somewhere. God. I think this is Chloe Young. Her cadence is amazing. The set pieces, they have like a living room set here with a nightstand and a payphone. Like, where do you even get payphones nowadays? There's probably a studio with props and everything that they can order from, but anyway, this was my, oh my god, I can't talk. This has been my V3 reaction to Bad Villains Hurricane music video. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. V3 Black Skin out. I'm gonna go get some rest.
Get the call, no cell phone. Man, you talking to the real me. Yeah. Man, you talking to the